going to show you how to build a six-figure business using only Claude. And look, I know there is a lot of noise online, but agentic workflows are not just a trend, they are the future of the AI industry. I've built over 20 apps last year with my agency Chromix, and the truth is, this is real money moving into technology right now. You don't need a massive budget, and honestly, you don't even know how to code. I still haven't written a single line of code myself because tools today make all of this accessible to non-developers. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to find a winning idea, build it using Claude, and actually sell it to clients without competing purely on building automations and getting stuck in a race to the bottom. So let's get into it. Step 1. Find the idea. Okay, so the first thing, and this is where most people get completely stuck, is finding the idea. Everyone thinks they need to build some crazy, original, flashy AI dashboards that looks cool but doesn't actually move the needle. That thinking is exactly what keeps people stuck for months with zero progress. What you actually need to do is act as a doctor, not the pharmacist. You need to run diagnostics and figure out what's actually broken for people before you prescribe a solution. I want you to open Claude and write this. You are a product researcher, look at the top products and launches from the past 30 days, analyze what problem each one solves, then give me the top 5 problems that a solo developer could build a solution for. Rank by how many people have this problem and how easy it is to build. Claude is going to reason, make decisions, and hand you back a ranked list of real opportunities, not a generic list. This is actual research done with actual reasoning. Now here it is where it gets really interesting. Take the top idea and tell Claude to find Reddit communities where people complain about this exact problem. Think about it like plumbing. If a business has a pipe that's clogged, it doesn't matter how much water you pour into it, it's not going to flow. This Reddit research is how you find the clog. You get the exact words your future customers use to describe their frustration. That's your marketing copy written before you ever built anything. And the last thing before you commit, ask Claude to find your competitors. What are the top complaints on their reviews? Whatever those complaints are, that's the gap. That's where you come in and build a solution for their problem. This whole thing used to take me 6 to 7 days. Now it's honestly a 1-hour session with Claude. Step 2. Building with Claude. Alright, now you have your idea, let's build it. And look, I know what you guys are thinking. Stefan, I don't know how to code. But don't worry about that because I achieved all this with hardly any technical knowledge. We're not setting up manual API calls or mapping out every single node by hand. The tool I want you to use for this is Google Antigravity, and before you ask, yes, it's completely free right now. Google launched it in November 2025 alongside Gemini 3 and it's in public preview. So what is it exactly? Well, traditional automation is like building a train track by hand. You're laying every rail, every switch, every connection all by yourself. Now, Antigravity is an AI-powered environment where you aren't writing the code. It's like you're telling a construction crew, hey, I need you to build a train track from here to there. You describe what you want using natural language, and Antigravity plans it, builds it, tests it, and shows you what it made. If the agents hit a problem during construction, they figure it out themselves. You just review and give feedback. Now, what makes this different from everything else is the agent manager. You can run multiple AI agents at the same time, all working on different parts of your app in parallel. One agent handling your backend, another one building your UI, and another one testing it. All at the same time using the latest models from Claude. And here is the simple process. Before you start any build session, give the agent a clear brief using completely natural language. Explain what the app does, who is it for, and what you're building today. That's it. The more precise you are in how you communicate, the better the output. Then work in small steps from there. Not build me the entire app. That doesn't work well. Think of your workflow like a recipe. You need to tell it what to do in a specific order. First task, build the login and authentication flow. Next task, add a dashboard that shows X, and next task is connect payments using Stripe. One super important, one thing at a time. It actually comes together really fast. Think about it like this. You are the manager. The Antigravity agents are your development team. You are not writing the code. You are just reviewing what they built and telling them what to fix. And honestly, even if you have zero technical background, you can have a working app in a few days by doing this way. Part 3. Making money. Okay, this is the part you guys actually want to know. What do you build and how do you actually turn a skill like this into income? Right now, there are 2 things selling really well to clients that you can build with Claude. The first one is AI automations. Businesses always want to automate stuff that's eating up their time. For example, email follow-ups, lead qualification, onboarding new clients, or generating reports. These are not complicated to build at all, and clients are paying anywhere from $1,500 to $5,000 for solid automations. Sometimes they pay even more. Here it depends on what problem do you solve them and how well do you do it. Now, the way you sell it is actually quite simple. You find a business owner on LinkedIn or X, you look at what they do and think, what's repetitive in their business? Now remember, if a business has a pipe that's clogged, it doesn't matter how much water you pour into it. Your job is to find the clog and clear it. Then you reach out and say something like this. Hey, I noticed you're probably spending a lot of time doing X manually. I built an automation that handles this automatically. Happy to show you a quick demo. That's it. No fancy pitch, no long email. Just be direct and specific. You need to act as the doctor, not the pharmacist. Ask questions, run diagnostics, and figure out what's actually wrong before you prescribe anything. And when they say yes, use Claude to write the proposal. After your call with them, paste your notes into Claude and say, write me a proposal that addresses everything this client mentioned. The proposal comes out completely customized to their business. It's not a template and it doesn't sound generic. It sounds like you spent a week studying them. If your system saves them $10,000 a month, charging $5,000 for the build is a total no-brainer for them. Now, the second thing is 3D websites. This one is absolutely slept on. Most businesses' websites are flat, boring, and forgettable, and everyone else is in a race to the bottom selling generic, lovable templates. On the other hand, a fully interactive 3D animated website built by Antigravity and Claude actually moves the needle because it stops people mid-scroll, and Claude can help you build it even if you never heard of 3D animations in your life. Now, agencies are charging anywhere from $10,000 to $30,000 for this kind of work. You can do it in a fraction of time and charge $3,000 to $6,000 per project. Now, here's the thing about selling 3D websites. You don't go hunting for clients the traditional way. You let the work find the clients for you. For example, you can build 3 to 5 mock 3D websites. They don't have to be for real clients. Just pick a few industries, build something that looks insane, and just deploy it on Vercel. Just record your screen while you scroll through these websites and post the recording on X, Instagram, TikTok, basically every platform you can think of. And that's literally it, because 3D websites are visually insane in a way regular content just isn't. They're eye-catching, they are different. And if you post enough of them, eventually you will go viral. And when one of these go viral, the DMs start to come in. People see these websites and immediately think, I want that for my business. Here the content does the selling for you. You don't have to call DM a single person. So that's the whole thing. Find your idea using Claude in a couple of hours, build it using Claude and Antigravity completely free with hardly any technical knowledge needed. Then go out there, sell AI automations or 3D websites to clients using value-based pricing. The opportunity is real. And this is real money moving into technology right now. The tools are here, they are accessible to non-developers, and they are free. The only thing missing is you actually starting instead of just watching another YouTube video that don't actually move the needle. If you guys enjoyed this and learned something new, please give it a like, subscribe, because it definitely helps me out a lot. By the way, I'm dropping a 3D website build tutorial very soon, so you do not want to miss that. As always, I appreciate you guys making it to the end of this video, and I'll see you on the next one.